watching the video of property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, some attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is outstanding, and guests love to enjoy the scenery. The categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various times and payment policies. If you have planned to book it, you can do so through the